Leslie Evans. I am an HVAC student at Alamance Community College.
My name is Samuel Alonso, and I joined this program. Well, I'm in this program for the money.
My name is Nicholas Hurst, and I chose the heating and air program because I did a study not too long ago in my college transfer success class, and I had a lot of experience already in mechanics.
Okay, my name is Ruby, and I'm here because most of my family already works in the industry of heating and air, and coming here has been giving me the opportunity to learn about heating and air, and actually it's very interesting.
My name is Kobe. I heard about HVAC through word of mouth. I chose this trade because one, it's never an ending trade. Like you always gonna need heat, you always gonna need air. So that's the reason why I chose HVAC.
Sean Foley, I'm here to do HVAC, learn commercial install.
My name is Alejandro Hvac. I came here to get my Hvac license and degree to just make money, learn about the field, because a lot of people don't do this anymore, and it's a good field to get into.
As a student of heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration at Alamance Community College, we learned the skills to become great technicians. Skills such as making flares, tubing wedges, and correctly soldering copper tubing.
I'm at ACC in the heating and refrigerating program. I came here because I know it's one of the best programs that they have, and I just want to do something with heating and air. I'm not sure yet what I want to do, but I know this is the best place to start at.
We work on labs with electric air handlers and gas unit heaters.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Catalana, and I attend ACC for heating and air conditioning. I came here because I want to own my own business one day.
My name is Brent Biddle. I'm here learning about heating and air, and I chose this school because I heard it's the best program around the state.
I'm Nolan Hodgson. I'm taking HVAC courses because I want to be a service tech.
My name is Christopher Tripp. I'm enrolled in the HVAC R program here, and I really had no direction when I finished my associate's degree already, so I plan to do this and start working somewhere and make some money.
Second semester, we build an air conditioner, a heat pump, a refrigerator, and a freezer.
Second year of the associate's degree program, students get to work in the indoor equipment lab on heat pumps, commercial split system, gas furnaces, dual fuel heat pump, and ductless mini splits.
We will work in the outdoor equipment lab on package heat pumps, commercial and residential condensing units, package units, and commercial package heat pump. In the refrigeration lab, we will learn about the ice machines, reach-in cooler, and freezers along with walk-in coolers and freezers.
I'm really new, and I'm here because I heard this was a good program to go in, and heating and air is like needed everywhere, so you'll never find. We always have a job to use.
Nathan Fitz, and I'm a senior at Western Alamance High School, and I'm in the heating and air program. Rod Barber came to our class my junior year, and I was interested in it, and I thought I'd give it a shot.
My name is Emmanuel Matias. I'm a senior at Williams High School, and I'm taking the heating and air program because I have a family who own a heating and air company, and I wanted to learn through school so once I go, I can go and work for them.